Hello, my fellow Aldi addict. It's Jackie and
Elsie.
And I'm doing my weekly grocery haul, but it's a little different than normal because Mom is going on a solo trip. I'm leaving my family behind just for 2 nights, but I need a grocery shop before I leave. So Elsie's coming with me because it's the weekend. So you're seeing this just a bit later than I shop. I also have a few holiday items I'm prepping for. So let's get into the store, get the week of groceries and those holiday items. You ready? When we walk in, they have one of the giant stuffies left, but they have all of these giant holiday gnomes, and they're on sale for $12.79. Holy moly. I'm taking a yogurt bar to a family Christmas this weekend. It's going to be breakfast, and then we have another family Christmas shortly after that, but I thought these nuts would be good to have as part of the yogurt bar. $4.35. Elsie confirms that she does want brownies. $1.89. I just opened the box on accident. Okay, there is no plan for this, but my family, you guys know, loves Italian bread with dips, so I'm gonna get a sliced one, $3.99. I have no doubt they'll eat it, but I'm gonna pick a later date one, $12.17 here. We still have some of our toppings from last week's meals, and we ran out of chips, so I'm gonna get more, $1.95. If worst comes to worst, I know my family can have grilled cheese or peanut butter and jelly, $1.39. My husband and son love oranges, and these look good. They're only $2.99. I am gonna come back and get different berries for the yogurt bar I'm making, but I don't wanna buy them now for next weekend, so I'll have to come back and get those. We still have some cucumbers, but just in case we run out, I'm gonna get a small bag, $1.89. Last week they had a veggie tray, and I was thinking of buying that just for easy additions to my son's lunch, but they don't have it this week. I'm gonna get actually 2 bags of apples because one of the family Christmases, part of what I'm bringing is a brown sugar fruit dip and a bunch of apples. Last year I brought different fruits, but everyone ate all the apples quickly with the dip. So I'm just gonna bring all apples, $2.89 a piece. I'm gonna make sure they have enough milk. Cereal's an easy option, $2.65. And my husband is very capable of cooking, but he's also working full time and doesn't have me at home like he usually does. So I'm gonna get a whipped topping for taking hot chocolate to one of the Christmases, $2.99. I need cream cheese to make the cream cheese brown sugar dip for the apples, $1.75. Okay, so I'm looking for yogurts. I'm gonna get the honey yogurt, and I want to see if there's the vanilla, honey vanilla, $3.75, and I'm looking just for plain vanilla yogurt. And finally, a non-Greek yogurt. I'm gonna get vanilla, $2.59. Okay, I'm gonna get this granola for the yogurt bar at $3.49, and then I'm gonna get the oats and honey clusters. Nope, not that one. This one, the smaller bag, at $2.65. Now, there isn't too much new. I think this is super cute. Definitely smaller than my kids and their needs. Some really cute Lego sets, $12.99. Elsie's looking at the world's smallest. She likes those just like me, don't you, girl?
Yes.
Oh, they do have Disney Squishmallows. So cute. Dumbo, Donald, Mickey. There's Daisy here. They're so cute. And those are $12.99. They have different cleaning tools for kids, Hatchimals. Over the door basketball. That looks pretty cool. Maybe a fun like family or sibling gift. Paint your own nutcracker. It's a very messy aisle. Different creation kits, puzzles, ice game, trainer, lots of cool things. But it's a busy aisle. We also turn the corner and just see all these cute rugs that come with cars. Those are $19.99. They have cable knit cable knit throws that are $14.99, and then these really cute, pretty thin and small, but holiday throws, $4.99. I feel like these would be good to go with the hot chocolate bar, $1.98. So I'm going to get the holiday blend M&Ms. They're $3.96, and I did price compare that to Meijer. It's $5.99 at Meijer to get these, so we're gonna stick with Aldi pricing. And the Kisses are $4.36. I wanted to get Hugs, but I don't think Aldi has those, so I might have to step up and get the ones at Meijer for those. Okay, Elsie's with me, and we agreed the Rolos would be a good addition, $4.36. So I don't know if we'll still get the Hugs, but I really like Aldi's avocado oil, and it's on sale. I'm gonna get one, $4.99. I keep this next to my stove, and we use it frequently. I'm running low on a couple seasonings. I need paprika, 99 cents, and Italian seasoning, 99 cents. Of course, this is for the hot chocolate bar we're taking to the Christmas, 95 cents for mini marshmallows. I am getting brown sugar. I'm pretty sure we have some at home, but just so that I don't get mad at myself for not getting it, $1.75. This is for the brown sugar apple dip. Okay, so all the holiday meats are here, but this is new. Look at all of this shrimp. $8.99 for a shrimp ring. $10.99 for black tiger shrimp. About 16 to 20 pieces. Lobster tail, $12.99. A whole bunch of hams. They have more of the sea bass, beef schnitzel. They have fries. Cinnamon swirl puff pastries, mott sticks, cheesecake, a bunch of gluten-free donuts. The scones are still here. They have like the off-brand Uncrustables, which I've never bought before, but then they also have mochi, which I was hoping we would have this, and I'm definitely gonna buy it. Sugar cookie, my mochi. I love mochi ice cream. I'm the only one in my family, but I'm gonna try this. They also have cool peppermint and hot cocoa. I saw this last week and I knew this would be something my family would like, so I'm actually going to buy 2 of these. I don't know that they'll eat them all, but even if I don't know that they'll eat them both, but if they don't, they'll keep $5.99 a piece. I know my whole family will like this stuff. Elsie found something she wants. She wants the ice cream bars. Okay, Elsie wants those, and they're $2.49. It's a bit congested in the cheese aisle, so it's been a little hard to shop, but I am responsible for also bringing cheese to a family Christmas. So I'm gonna bring this big guy at $6.99 and 2 of the Mexi shredded, $2.99. We're having a taco bar right after the breakfast bar. 2 family Christmases in a row. Okay, so I came over here to get lemon water, but Elsie, being with me, asked. Her and I both love the limoncello. So that's $5.45. I normally don't buy LaCroix, but I gave in today. Also, something good to have on hand, just easy addition. Crinkle fries, $2.89. Now, my husband's parents do live really close to us, so I wouldn't be surprised if they end up eating dinner over there some or all of the nights, but I just don't know. Okay, Matt asked me to get vanilla ice cream. I don't know what the price is. They don't have it here, but it's usually around $6. Okay, here is my cart before we head to another store. Any guess on the total? Okay, our total here was $120.60. We're gonna go to the Dollar Tree and Meijer still. Okay, we're going to the Dollar Tree for 2 things. Light snacks and bowls for the yogurt bar. Okay, so this is pretty much what I'm looking for. 4 bowls for the yogurt. I think that's a good size, maybe? Maybe these would be better. Yeah, this would be better. That's a pretty good one. Probably this one. This is perfect. Yogurt bowls. Or, wait, options just keep coming. Okay, I like this one. Paper. 20. Compostable. $1.25. Perfect. Okay, so I'm on a multi-hour flight, obviously, and I told my friend I'd get some snacks, so here I am trying to make good on my suggestion. Okay, so I'm also gonna get, I feel like pretzels are really easy on the plane. So I'm gonna get a smoked Gouda and a Mexican street corn, and I'll give my friend a pick of which one she'd like. Now she loves Reese's, but then I thought of, do we care about nut allergies on a plane? I probably should. I don't know. What's the protocol on that? Okay, I'm gonna go full on grandma here and get hard caramels. No shame. That sounds good for the flight. $1.25. Okay, Elsie sees something she wants. The peeler peaches. We'll get that. Elsie always gets fun things when she comes with. And I'm trying to find some gummies. Okay, and then I'm also gonna get 2 bags of these, basically because I don't want to share. Okay, Elsie has one more request, a 4-pack of Faygo cotton candy, so I'll get that. And I'll get this too, just 1 bag of these. Ritz Bits, $1.25. Cheese, not peanut butter. While we're in line, I saw there's candy cane stirrers. I thought that'd be fun for a hot cocoa bar. Elsie's gonna go get 2 boxes.
Okay.
Any guess on the total? Okay, final stop is Meijer, and then we'll go home and I'll share with you our quasi meal plan, and any recipes we're using will be linked below. Okay, so I need to get some mascara. $8. I thought it was $6, so that's a little annoying, but must have been a new price hike, but $8. They also have this one. Maybe I'll try a new one. I always go with the cheapest. But since they're the same price, I'm gonna go Big Mood. And I need eyeliner, $7.49. I knew taking Elsie in the makeup aisle would result in her wanting something. I can't blame her. I just got this a few weeks ago and I really like this brand she's getting. But first, a Cosmo, $9.49. Okay, I generally don't pack this much stuff, but I am hoping to get on the Price is Right, so I need to look my best, to be honest with you. So I'm gonna get smaller package or smaller things because I'm only having a carry-on. I'm gonna get hair protector and dry shampoo, and then a shampoo and conditioner because I can't pack full size unless I have a check bag, which I don't want to do. So I'm gonna get all these, $2. I don't know how much the Not Your Mother's is. I'm hoping not significantly like giant prices, but I need the travel size, so I'm kind of stuck. And then also just gonna get a hairspray, $3.25. I'm hoping these are about $3.25, if not less. And for my face wash, I'm gonna get a travel tube, $1.25 that I can put this in, and everything else should be set. Okay, so these are what we want for our bites with the candy, but I need to get 2 things to get the 2 for $6 sale, and I think these look pretty good, so I'm gonna get these. Also 2 for $6. The only thing my teenager asked for was these chips. Of course, they're not on sale, and there's no off-brand that makes these. Flaming Hot Cheddar Sour Cream, $4.89. Boo. Okay, my son's asking for Oreo cake stirs in his lunch, and of course, we don't see him in the Oreo area, so I'm wondering if potentially it's going to be like the Little Debbie area. So stay tuned. Okay, so they're not in the packaged Oreos. It's by the Oreo sleeves. And so there's regular, original, 5-pack, or the peanut butter cream. I'm gonna get one of each so that Cal has enough for the week. And then if anyone else wants to have them, they can. $3.99 or $4.19. I don't know how I didn't think of this. I didn't see them at the Dollar Tree, that's probably why. But I'm gonna get Nerd clusters to take on the plane too. I like the blue better than the red. $2.39. Wait, $4.79. Okay, for the hot chocolate bar, we're gonna get the chocolate sauce drizzle. It's on sale for $5.29. Finally, we found one thing on sale. I guess we have the pretzels too. Okay, so Kel wants apple juice this week, of course, after I get lemonade stocked up, but we're gonna get one more and then him and Elsie have enough for the week. $2.99. So we are on the hunt for the hugs. I see peppermint kisses, don't want those. I don't know, are hugs elusive? Okay, so we have found the hugs, but we found every other thing. I think my husband would really like the mint truffles. There's hugs, there's cookies and cream kisses, which we've done those in the past, they're pretty good. Peppermint bells, they have the candy cane, cherry cordial, that would be my preference. Lots of them, but thankfully we have hugs. Elsie, I'm gonna leave the decision up to you. Should we do mint too?
Yeah.
The thing is, when you buy the pretzels and the M&Ms, you have so many of these. You have so many pretzels and M&Ms that you need a lot of bags, and they're on sale too for $10. So we're gonna get them. Holiday bacon's getting started. Don't let this fool you. This is gonna be expensive because of all the travel and makeup and nothing on sale. Any guess on the total? I'm afraid. I'm gonna say maybe $74. Well, it could have been worse, but the total was $84.85. Thanks for watching my videos so I can afford this. Okay, I'll show everyone how gorgeous you look in the new lip gloss. Definitely a good buy. Okay, so I'm back, and this is so abnormal. I do not have a meal plan for this week. I'm going to be gone at the beginning of the week, and then when I get home, my daughter still has 2 high school basketball games. We're going to a family Christmas at the end, so I'm going to tell you what my plans are. 1, we're going to eat a lot of our pantry freezer food, probably going to get carry-out pizza if I'm being honest. My husband may rely on his parents or find stuff from the pantry. I'm just not going to worry about it. We are, tonight before I leave, going to make these pretzel, one of the chocolates, and then you melt them and smush them with a red or green M&M. I'll link below if you've never heard of those, but it's a very common Christmas dessert. We certainly didn't make it up, but we do enjoy making it every year. And then on Saturday, I have 2 family Christmases. One of them, I'm responsible for bringing a bunch of cheese for a taco bar, and I'm also cutting up those green apples. I'm making a brown sugar cream cheese dip. I will link the dip recipe below. Last year it was a big hit. And before that Christmas, we have a different family Christmas where we're having breakfast themed foods, and I'm taking a yogurt bar and a hot chocolate bar to that. You guys saw, it's just kind of going to be a build your own, but I am going to get bananas and a bunch of berries to put on the yogurt bar. But I don't need to get that until right before we go so that they're fresh. But those are my only plans for the week. So I have very few to share with you as far as recipes. And if you want to see what a typical Aldi haul looks like, you can check out this video right here where I do actually have a weekly meal plan. This is just a chaotic, very abnormal week for my family. Thank you so much for watching. Ciao, Donna, ciao.